What does LXBlend stand for? LX means learning experiences. That's what we create. The blend hints at the fact that the learning we're creating is blended. So what does that mean? On one side, I believe that even though we've made so much progress in becoming more flexible and using virtual transfer of information in everyday ways, there's still a lot of elements that can't really be brought across only by focusing on online paths. Sometimes we just need that face-to-face interaction, and that combination of those two factors, online and offline learning, that's what we want to help facilitate. One thing that we found extremely helpful to achieve that frictionless on and offline education so much easier is what I'd like to pass on here as a quick tip. Make sure that the experts who are talking to your team are actually available for a deep dive and further conversations. Starting the learning process online is a great way to save time and money when it's just about conveying content. But when the same teacher that taught the online class is then also available to ask questions to, face-to-face or even during a webinar, that's the perfect learning experience. I know this seems pretty self-explanatory, but when designing your learning paths, setting up your LMS, this point of accessibility of expertise often falls out of sight. I'll be sharing more insight on learning management systems, learning experience platforms, and the setup around it, e-learning content creation, and how to really set up your team to thrive and to learn more and to enjoy the learning process. So stay tuned for more here on this channel.